Hello, beautiful people. I am starting a project. I got this the other day at Savers, and I put it in my Dollar Tree haul. Well, I've cleaned it up and it's looking really pretty and shiny, and I'm gonna bling it and make it a little candle holder, like a tea light candle holder. So I'm excited about that. I got this little piece right here that the actual tea light is gonna go into, and I'm gonna put this inside of here. When it's all said and done, it's gonna look so cute, like a little 3D effect. Sorry, that's my finger. I've got some tea light candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of bling. All my bling today that I'm using is from the Wish app, but of course you can always use things from Hobby Lobby or the little bit that they have at Dollar Tree. I can't wait until Dollar Tree starts carrying a better variety of bling. I wish they would do that, and I know that they could, but so far, nothing. So I got my glue gun sticks, I've got my scissors, my little trusty, can't think of the name of it right now, my glue gun, and we are off. I am excited about this one, y'all. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm gonna cut my flower mesh into little individual pieces. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm gonna start at, let me show y'all. I'm gonna start at the top. This is really, really round. And if I leave it hooked together, it's probably gonna be like a little bit harder to do that. So in order to avoid that, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the little individual pieces like that, and I'm gonna go all the way around. So I got my little dab of hot glue on here, and I'm just going to start at the top by going around like that. So when you get close to the end, the best thing to do is to make sure that your last couple of pieces are gonna fit and they're gonna be as uniform as possible. So it's best to kind of measure out or eyeball it a little bit and see how far apart you need to put things so that it won't be noticeable once it all comes together. So even though the rest of them are really close together, I took these last two pieces and gave them just enough space in between there so that once it gets done, it won't be noticeable, but also it's not going to overlap. So you definitely don't want it to do that or have to take things apart. So this strand of pearl, I am cutting off just the little balls that go in between each of the bigger pieces, and I'm going to take that and just like this, and then I'm going to take that, and place it in the center of each one of the pieces of flower mesh. And that way it's going to be so pretty and romantic. I'm liking it already. So I got the top done, and I am going to be repeating this same pattern on the smaller piece that will go inside my bigger vase. I'm gonna place the flower mesh and the pearl at the top and at the bottom. This is the brooch that I got from the Wish app, and this is gonna be the middle piece of my whole design. And I got this for, I think, like $1, and then it was probably $1 to ship. I just took the little backing off of it, and that little part I'm gonna put hot glue and E6000 on it, and then I'll be placing it in the center. Now if you don't have anything like this and you do decide to make it, and you don't have an old brooch that you could use or anything, you can actually make something that would be really pretty. And I'm taking my little pieces here and of the flower mesh, and you can put just one in the center, and then you can also add your pearl to it on each one as I cut them off and put it, and that would actually be really, really pretty. And of course you would cut them up and then start in the middle and then just place them around, and that could be a brooch for your centerpiece. And I love, there we go, sorry guys, I love this one. But if I didn't have something like this, I have used this method before, and you really can't tell a difference. It just looks so glamorous either way you want to go.